Welcome to TechClipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change password in Roblox. So at first, just go to your browser and just go to roblox.com. Here, if you don't already have an account, just sign up. And if you do have an account, just go to login. Now, if you have forgotten your password, it's a little bit different than changing your passwords. If you have forgotten your password, just click on forgot password or username. From here, just put in your email and click on submit. Then Roblox will send the reset link to your email and you can reset your password from there. But if you know your password and want to change it, then it's a bit different. Then just go to sign in. From here, just sign into your account. Just give your username and your password. Then just click on login. Then after logging in, what you need to do is click here on the gear icon. Then just click on settings. Then from here, inside account info, under here, you'll find your password. And to the right side of it, you'll find an edit button, which is the change password button. Just click on it. Then you just need to put in your current password. Then just put in your new password, whatever you want. Just put in here. And there you go, success. You have successfully changed your password. Then just click on OK. And basically that is how to change your password in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.